How to change location on Roblox. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location on Roblox. Roblox determines your location based on your IP address, which is not something you can change multiple times. You will be able to change your location for one time only. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type roblox.com. After you type this keyword, hit the enter button to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Roblox. Here make sure you are logged into your account. If not, log in using your credentials. And after logging into your account, at the top right, you will find this gear icon. Click on this gear icon and from the menu, click on this settings. Once you click on settings, you will be taken to this page. Here under account info section, scroll down and within it you will find account location. Here currently it is set to the country I have chosen before. Now click on it and from the list of this country, find the country that you would like to change to. Once you find the one that you would like to change to, go ahead and click on it. And a dialog box will appear informing you that you can change your location only once, because your location determines what is allowed on your account, including the currency you used for your gift cards and the purchases also. It also says that if you are not sure to change your location, then do not continue. Only continue if you are sure to change it. Now if you are really sure to change your location, click on this set location option right here. And now you can see you have successfully changed your location on Roblox. Now in case if you want to change your account location in the future, you will need to contact Roblox support, and if they approve only then you will be able to change it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.